Oh yeah, nice. There's a bunch of them jumping everywhere. Wow. Wow, there's like 20. Trying to outrun this rainstorm. It's all around us, behind us and to the right. And in front of us is just blue skies. But we can't seem to outrun this rainstorm. We're just stuck right on the edge of it. Rain versus sun. Rain, sun, rain, sun. Where's the rainbow at? Good news is that mission was successful and we outran the weather. The bad news is that, don't hate me for this. I totally accidentally just dropped a piece of trash in the ocean. It's so sad. You can see it floating away. But there's nothing I can do about it. Something.
You hear the boat singing happy.
I was thinking that. Now I understand like the analogy of like salty sailors. Like I really feel like a salty sailor now. Like I swear I have salt in like every inch of my body. Like my hair is like a nest of salt. And like we're drying our salty clothes just so that we can put them on again tonight, salt clothes. Like you get so salty being on the ocean. We're a couple of salts, Ryan. Aren't we? A couple of salts. Do you feel salty, Ryan? All right, fire up the grill. All right, we need cheese. Cheeses. Oh, some spinach. Yeah. Cheese spinach quesadillas. Oh, yeah. Smoked Gouda, right? Holding on to everything as I walk. That's how you walk on a sailboat. Oh, I gotta get back outside. There's some tortillas. There's some other tortillas. Here's some more tortillas. Perfect. Got lots of tortillas. Let's go. On the move. Move out. Get back outside. Before I barf. Our little hideout down there. And I'm making quesadillas up here. This silicone is like a lifesaver. It keeps anything from sliding. It's perfect. Chachi loves the cheese. Right, Chachi? You love Gouda cheese, smoked Gouda? These are gonna be some gourmet quesadillas. Oh, she's going back to her seaweed. Eating the seaweed earlier. Yeah, there she goes in her cubby hole. That seaweed right there, she was chewing on it. She's a regular old salt kitten. First gourmet quesadilla. Leftover grilled veggies from this morning, Gouda and spinach. Went too far into the wind, and so the sail like changed direction. So now Ryan's gotta put them back. Here it goes. It's gonna swing back over any second. And here it goes. The main is gonna jive over. Bam! Oh, not quite. And no. Bam! There we are. So that's what happens when you lose your heading, I guess, you know, and you gotta fix it. Go back in there. So we basically went in a giant circle right now. Listen to how quiet it is. I just listen. It's like it's terrible because that's why we're only going 2 knots. But it's so peaceful. Just listen. There's no wind, and so the sails are just like not happy with us. So peaceful, so quiet. Motionless wind generator. Speaking of which, on other days where the wind generator has actually been running, it's been fantastic because it's kept our power up to like almost 14 volts. There's our little flag. It's sunset, and we're sailing around this deep, dark rain cloud. Another day down. Ride on the donkey, ride on the donkey. I was like trying to sleep, and in my head just playing on the repeat. I'm just like, the panty man. Random like lyrics from Panty Man. What was the other one that was playing on in my head? Oh yeah, enjoy yourself, Mama dancing, grandma dancing, enjoy yourself. Burn some energy, burn some energy. Like I'm trying to sleep, and all I can hear is burn some energy, burn some energy, enjoy yourself. It's like the perfect like workout music. Like yeah, enjoy myself. My grandma's dancing, I'm dancing, but it's not good when you're trying to sleep. Just I like variety in my music. A little bit of static, a little bit of singing. It's good. So my glasses are in pretty rough shape. You can't see. So first I got stepped on by Ryan, and that broke this side off. Then he tried to glue them together. It worked out really well until I rolled over on them when I was trying to sleep by accident, and then it broke off again. So then this side was going strong, and you know I was wearing them like this for a while until last night, and apparently they broke. Ryan said this morning he saw the kitten playing with a lens like it was some like rat toy or something, like bah bah bah, like beating it around the boat, and hold up, I'm losing it. Show it. She was batting at the lens, and Ryan was like, "What is that?" And apparently he saw that it was the lens, and he was like, "Oh no." So my glasses are really destroyed now. Yeah, they're toast. So I have to buy new glasses as soon as we get to Bermuda. We're running the motor right now because there's absolutely no wind at all, and we got to get a Carriacou somehow. But the problem is the motor is making a weird rattling noise. Ryan just rebuilt, if you've been following, Ryan just rebuilt the entire top half, but he thinks it's the freshwater pump. He's not sure though, but it's making a weird rattling noise, so we're really nervous about running it. We are so tired.
I think that rattling noise is the freshwater pump.
Alright guys, it's official. I lost my glasses to the depths of Davy's locker. What's that called, Ryan? Davy Jones' locker? Anyways, my glasses are sinking and sinking and sinking. Down, down, down. They fell off the back of the boat. And I'm gonna be blind for the next 2 days. The glasses were just meant to be destroyed. They got sat on 3 times, played with, the lenses popped out and the cat played with them, and now they've fallen in the ocean. So
You lost your glasses?
I lost my glasses in the ocean.
What?
I know, right? They were cursed. They were meant to be destroyed. So that sucks. I won't be seeing you later. I won't see anything later. How dead flat it is out there. This why it's gonna take us probably an extra day or two, who knows, to get there. It's just dead flat, and we're only going 3.5 knots. See that? So we're trying to get to about here, then we can turn the motor off and sail again. Whoopsie daisy. And then we'll go out and then over to here, and then we can sail up. So we'll sail down and up again. We're gonna try it at least. Hopefully that works. That's our plan. All right, so we're pretty much drifting to Carriacou now. We're going 1.5 knots. Gonna chair for us. Yesterday he was like, or 2 days ago, he was like, I think I'm gonna make a chair for sitting on. Yeah, I could probably make that. I'll do that tomorrow. So here he's making a chair now. It's gonna go right here. See in between those two bars right there? That's where it's gonna hook up to. And then we can sit and steer instead of standing and steering. It's gonna be great. He's building a chair right there. I'm so excited. Chair's coming into action. Look at him making a chair out of nothing. Random bars and wood on the boat. You're awesome, Ryan. 150-ish, 170 or so. Oh, he's gonna tie it to the stairs. Makeshift solution. Temporary solution. Ready?
Yeah.
Can I test it out?
Inch with the first sit.
It's awesome. Okay.
How is it?
Nice. It broke my dress. It's awesome though.
Awesome.
I love it. It's so comfy. It's great. I could put my feet here and like, it's nice. I love it.
Perfect. Wait,
Can you put your feet where I put my feet? Or does that not work for you? It does not work. That does not work for you. I am too short. See, I'm putting my feet on that little rail right there. He's just hanging his. Ooh, now test it out. Nice. Ryan tightened the belt on the alternator. I still hear a little rattling. I'll have to ask him to check it out. Ryan's digging his new chair.
Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages and late night
he's driving with his feet.
And I know when that hotline bling. These days.
So the motor just died on us completely. It's seized up. Ryan's down there being amazing, trying to figure out what the problem is. He thinks it's the raw water pump. He's trying to work on that now to try to get us going again. And I'm drifting along, just trying to keep one knot. But hopefully Ryan can solve the problem, but if not, then it's okay. It'll just add another day or two on the voyage. Ryan's working hard though. So yeah, it ended up, the rattling never really stopped. It got quieter, but all of a sudden we were running the motor for like a couple of hours to just try to keep speed, because like I've been saying, there's just no wind. It's just dead out here, and it just seized up on us. So we don't really know what's gonna happen next. We don't know if we're gonna get the motor running again, or if we're gonna have to just drift along until the wind's picked up. God, we know you like sailors, so send us some wind, please. we decided, Orion said that he was too exhausted to do it tonight. He thinks it's the fuel pump that's giving the problem. So he said he's too tired tonight, so he's gonna try to fix it tomorrow. So tonight we're just drifting slowly away, and I can't see, so I'm steering by feel with my feet.